Breaking right now at 6, 2 Wake County elections officials can keep their seats after allowing ballots of 3 dead North Carolina voters to count.
The officials under the microscope are being reprimanded, even though they didn't break the law. Thanks for joining us. I'm Gerald Owens.
And I'm Ashley Rowe. This comes at a time when election integrity is in the spotlight more than ever. WRAL's Sean Gallagher heard arguments surrounding this case all day. Joining us now live. Sean.
Yeah, Ashley, the arguments that I heard today all centered around state laws versus what the county board calls its directives, or the state board, rather. The state board saying that those directives were to mean that the county election officials had to toss out any votes from voters that had died before the election, even if they did legally vote early. But there is no state law that expressly says that.
After 6 hours of testimony, Gerry Cohen thought this was the end of his career.
Order that Wake County Board of Election member Flynn and Gerry Cohen be removed.
And I started crying.
But the Board of Elections decided a reprimand, not removal, was in order after the 2 men allowed the early ballots from 3 voters who died before Election Day to count in 2024. Tossing out 42 other similarly situated deceased voters. State law doesn't prohibit the officials from counting the votes, but state officials have discouraged it for years.
Election law cannot mean one thing for some voters and another thing for others.
Steve Holland filed an appeal after the then Democratic-leaning state board passed on removing Cohen and Flynn. But this more right-leaning board carried the full hearing.
If you were presented with the same set of facts that you were presented with previously, would you decide the same thing?
I wouldn't decide this in this way. I don't have any intention of doing it again, but I got your attention.
Flynn and Cohen said the decision was made after heartfelt challenges by the family members of the deceased.
Those votes were cast, and as soon as they were cast, they were sacred. And we have a duty to treat those votes as sacred as any other vote.
I'm glad that this process honored their deceased relative.
Ultimately, the board decided to reprimand the 2 men rather than remove them from their positions.
Do you have any regrets?
Well, I regret the interpretation of the law.
And we weren't able to get comment from Flynn after the meeting today, but Cohen tells me he plans on finishing out his term and says he's open to another one, but that'll be up to the State Board of Elections to decide. In Raleigh, Sean Gallagher, WRAL News.